Shardul Pandit, welcome to IWM Buzz. And first of all, many congratulations because you're going inside the Big Boss house. Big Boss, mein everything is like big and humongous. And, right from the entertainment to the fights, everything is really exciting. Tell me something. Have you followed the previous seasons of Big Boss and have you followed this season? How much have you been able to follow the Big Boss show?
I have followed most seasons of Big Boss because I am somebody who is a Big Boss fan, and I used to have watch parties at my house.
Yeah.
So a lot of my actor friends used to gather and with some popcorn and cold drink and food, and then judge everybody after the episode.
Yeah.
Never expected that I probably will be the one who will be judged very soon.
Yeah. Yeah.
So yeah, man, I never thought that. I have seen, and I've seen a couple of episodes of this season as well.
Yeah. So that's interesting. So, we have already, as far as this season is concerned, we have seen it all. We have seen love, we have seen romance, we have seen fights, we have seen almost everything already. So, jitne bhi contestants hai, who do you think is probably the most challenging, who can probably give you a run for your money once you go inside the house?
I have not yet made my money, so I'm not worried about anybody will give me a run for my money, and
Yeah.
I think I will start the journey now. So I am not picking on someone that this person is a problem area for me or that person is a problem area for me because logically and other ways also there's no point picking one person and think of him or her as your competition because this is a highly competitive show and everybody is going
Correct.
to be fighting tooth and nail. All this love and romance is just going to go away the moment evictions happen, bro.
Yeah, yeah. And I think it's not something, I mean, you're pretty right when you say that because, we have already seen that happening in the past, I mean, all sorts of mushy behavior and everything that just disappears in thin air once the eviction
Yet
time
you
comes.
guys and the audience falls for it, and that's what I always tell people, that
Yeah, yeah,
it's actually the journalists who get very excited about the love angles
yeah.
because there's something to write about it when they also know it's fake. So that's extremely
Yeah,
hilarious for me,
yeah, yeah,
because honestly that love does happen,
yeah,
uh, but it can't happen from the moment you say hello. It can't
yeah,
happen from the moment you see someone doing well and you aligning with them. There is a
yeah,
better word for it. You can call them your friends. You don't need to call it love.
yeah,
Uh, yes, in the past, we have seen that people have developed feelings and it was genuine.
yeah,
So as long as that happens, I'm all okay with it. But I do find it funny when people call just someone sitting close to each other, or
yeah,
someone just expressing that they like someone,
yeah,
कट टू लव, मतलब
yeah.
ऐसा तो फिर ताजमहल बन जानी चाहिए.
Quite interesting viewpoints over there. And I mean, I'm pretty fired up when I hear all these before you have already gone to the show, so I can understand the kind of excitement that's going to erupt once you enter. But tell me
It's a lot of
something.
boredom, bro. 20 days of quarantine is a lot to ask for from
Yeah.
anybody.
Yeah, but tell me, I'll just continue the quarantine point forward. You just mentioned that, obviously, ये COVID-19 lockdown के वजह से, we all have been, inside our homes for a long time. So do you think that experience is probably going to help you in the Big Boss house because already you're used to that kind of an environment where you're constantly locked up in a house?
Yeah, I'm not used to the world outside. Like just the other day, I had to meet a doctor for our regular checkups, and I was so
Yeah,
excited to see another human being. I mean, it's that with me. I mean, I think I might just kiss the first person I watch now. I
yeah,
mean, or meet,
yeah,
irrespective of who that person is, because I'd be so excited about a
yeah,
human being.
yeah.
Yeah. So that's the state of affairs as we are speaking right now.
Absolutely. And, you got to tell me something key. Where you spoke about the fact that, I mean, we have obviously seen real relationships happen in the show, but we have also seen certain things which are probably just created for some kind of drama. So, obviously, just like every other year, this time as well, there are some people who have put forward a really, real image. And at the same time, there are some people who have come off as really fake. So who do you think is probably having the? It's your choice whether you want to answer before entering the house. That whom you find the probably the most fake, but whom do you find the most real in the Big Boss house? Who is probably not having even an ounce of pretense in himself or herself?
I think Jasmine is pretty real.
Yeah,
I think that she has kept it pretty real as far as I am concerned. I think uh, Rubina, to an extent, is also very real because people might have issues with what she has to say, but then anybody who is raising up those issues is real. That usko ye issue hai, bhai mujhe ye bura laga to laga. So yeah, that, and I think Pavitra.
Pavitra, yeah. Fair point. You spoke about Rubina being very real and honest. यहाँ पे अभी, there's some buzz that's going on. Basically, the host Salman sir, he had basically pointed out something about Rubina and Abhinav by calling him her Saman. So there's a lot of buzz. Internet is kind of divided on this matter. Some people are in favor of Salman sir's comment. Some people are in favor of Rubina's reaction. Do you think that it was a joke which was probably supposed to be taken as just a joke, or was it blown out of proportion?
Obviously,
Yeah.
I mean, that's not even a question from where I'm concerned, because
Yeah.
I have
But
a
it's a
sense of
question for a
humor.
lot of people, yeah. But like, who are probably thinking that it's like, I mean, it's a tussle that's going inside. So what do you think about
Lot
it?
of people who have you met or who have you
Yeah.
spoken to who said that? If you're talking about Twitter,
Yeah.
we all know that there are people sitting behind every contestant and tweeting on their behalf by making 300 400 IDs. I don't fall for it.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, but I don't fall for it because I don't have that. If I could afford, if I would have worked for 5 6 years like Rubina in a big show, I probably could have had that too. And then people would be tweeting about me too. But I really think that we need to have a sense of humor. We take everything so seriously and we take offense to everything. That's just not how we can live life. I mean, uh, because the problem with humor is that the moment you have a problem with someone's sense of humor, the other person will do it
Yeah.
even more to irk you.
Yeah.
I
True.
mean, look at
That's
the
how
generation we
psychology
are living
works.
in. We are living in a mean generation. How can we have? I mean, I seriously think people need to lighten up. Yeah, like seriously.
Yeah. So basically, the overall mood and atmosphere needs to lighten up. And I wish you all the best for whatever you're going to do inside the show. And I hope your new journey becomes very successful for you. Thank you so much for joining me out here.
Thank you.
Thank you.